Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Mercedes-Benz C300 W204 and how to remove your front grille and also install it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. You are going to start off by removing the two air ducts near the engine side. Now open this locking mechanism and also pull the couple tabs, there is one on each side, and then remove this cable and pipe out of the way before completely removing this panel. Now open these two 10mm bolts that are holding this bracket in place. And the last step is to free the three tabbings on the bottom. Just give a push on each side and then the grille will be removable. Installation is pretty simple. Just put the grille in place and this time pull the grille towards you so the grille locks into the tabs. And then just reinstall the screws, the panel, the wires and the cables and the air ducts that you removed before. I hope this video has helped you out. Please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.